Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change widget size in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and you want to change your widget size, let's see how can you do that. Here, let's see, I'm going to resize this one. Just keep a long press on it. Then you will get these edges corner. You must have to press and hold anyone. And here, just enlarge it. So you have to keep in mind that you can enlarge or minimum or maximize it until the limitation. You can see that I am not able to resize it here. So you can resize the length or width of the widget here. So I'm going to resize this one. Just keep a long press on it, then press and hold any edge and resize it. So that's how you can easily change widget size and any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.